Tuesday, the International Criminal Court announced that it has finally reached a decision in the Palestinian request to join filed in 2009. Its decision was to reject the request. The International Criminal Court was created in 2002 and currently has 121 signatory countries. The court has jurisdiction in every country that willingly invites it. This March, it reached its first conviction by successfully prosecuting Thomas Lubunga of the Congo for forcefully recruiting child soldiers. If a state refuses to join, as the US, Russia, China, and Israel did, war crimes committed by its citizens or in territories under its control cannot be prosecuted by the court. The Palestinian Authority attempted to bypass this restriction by applying to the court itself. This would not only give the PA the possibility of inviting the ICC to prosecute Israelis or Palestinians accused of war crimes, crimes against humanity or genocide, but would also force the ICC to establish whether the Palestinian territories constitute a state. After 3 years of deliberation, a court statement published quietly on its website read, "In instances where it is controversial or unclear whether an applicant constitutes a state, it is the practice of the Secretary-General to follow or seek the General Assembly's directives on the matter. The current status granted to Palestine by the United Nations General Assembly is that of observer, not as a non-member state." In 2009, when the PA filed this request following the Israeli assault on the Gaza Strip in Operation Cast Lead, The Real News spoke to Fatou Bensouda, the deputy prosecutor of the ICC.
We are analyzing various issues regarding this, including whether the declaration that has been lodged by the Palestinian Authority meets the statutory requirements of the Rome Statute. We're also examining whether crimes within the jurisdiction of the court, and by that I mean war crimes, crimes against humanity, and genocide, have occurred. And we're also looking into whether there are any proceedings that are taking place to address the crimes that have been committed, if they have been committed.
If it were to accept the Palestinian Authority, the ICC would have been the second international body to recognize Palestine as a state, following UNESCO, the UN's cultural forum. Kenneth Roth, the executive director of Human Rights Watch, stated, "People from influential states and their allies have been able to evade justice for crimes in Gaza, as well as in Syria, Chechnya, Sri Lanka, Iraq, and elsewhere. This uneven landscape must change." The response from the Israeli government stated simply that Israel welcomes the decision on the lack of ICC jurisdiction, but the foreign minister, Avigdor Lieberman, revealed that the foreign ministry worked very professionally, discreetly, and quietly. Not many understand how much work has been put into this issue. We have kept it out of the media. For The Real News, I'm Leah Terechansky in Tel Aviv.